Come on, boy. What you smelling of? Smell your sisters in here? Huh?
Sit, yellow dog. Sit.
Sit, yellow dog.
Yellow dog, sit. Sit, yellow dog. Thank you.
Good boy. Good
Sit,
boy,
Big Red.
yellow dog.
Sit. Thank you, Big Red.
Thank
Sit
you,
tough.
Big Red. Sit tough.
Down. No jumping.
Sit tough.
No jumping.
Big Red, you're pretty little boy. Hey, yellow dog. Hey, yellow dog. Hey, Tough. Hey, Tough. Hey, Big Red. Yellow dog.
You're off the tree. Everybody sit down. Everybody sit. One for yellow dog. One for Big Red. One for Tough. Thank you, boys. Boys.
Y'all are so pretty. Y'all are pretty babies.
Just let them know that they don't eat out of a bowl. They don't eat on that board. Hey, yellow dog. They roll on your leg, good boy. They roll over on your leg. Your brother's gonna eat all your food. You better go over and eat. Come on. Come on. Go eat. Come on. No, come on. Big Red, come on. Did you rest your treats?
Want to grow and be more or better or anything in life. You want to be exactly what you are right now, every day.
No jumping now. No jumping.
That's going to take you doing something different than what you're doing right now.
Your brother's gonna eat all your food. He's a glutton. You better go eat your food. Your brother's gonna eat it all. Yellow dog, you better
He
go
said,
eat your
I
supper.
like some loving more than food.
You better go eat your supper.
Yellow dog, a pretty baby.
Eat your supper. You've got a pretty taste. Oh, yellow dog. Thank you, yellow dog. Yellow dog. Yellow dog. Yellow dog. Thank you. Thank you.